This week we looked at chemical equilibrium in our guided inquiry. We prepared solution, and when we prepared the solution, it was pink, and we added salt to it and placed it in a warm bath, and the solution then turned to blue, and when you placed it back into the cold, it would turn back to pink. So this was a good example of Le Chatelier's principle in chemical equilibrium, which kind of led into us thinking about how we could use this system as maybe a thermometer, because in between the pink and the blue you would get some purple, and it was kind of a nice different color change. So that kind of led us into next week trying to make this system into a thermometer.
For the second day of the cycle, we continued with our guide.
So on the second day, after we finished our guided experiment, we performed our own inquiry. We explored how fast food coloring would diffuse through a beaker of water depending on its temperature. Diffusion through water is a system reaching equilibrium, so we decided that it would be a good step forward to play with the rate at which that process happened. And we manipulated temperature. We heated one beaker up to about 80 degrees Celsius. The second beaker of water, we heated up to about 50 degrees Celsius. And the third beaker of water, we kept at room temperature straight out of the faucet. The results that we got was what we pretty much expected. The hottest beaker diffused the fastest in 3 minutes. The middle temperature beaker diffused in 20 minutes, and the room temperature water diffused in about 33 minutes. Now, what we think is going on there is that when a liquid is heated up, its molecules are moving faster, they're bumping into each other more often, and the natural diffusion and the reaching of equilibrium happens faster because of the movement of those molecules. And that was the result that we achieved.
I think we want to do them at the same time because we'll see how they disperse across the. What are you wanting to do? Just to see like how a heated substance goes the rate goes faster on rate. So that's why we put it in the same time. You were like, you can just use the same thing again, but we can't use the same thing again. Okay. Sorry. That's what I'm thinking, because I already am at 3.1. What do you guys think?
Power texture effect.